Welcome! In front of me I have MICHAEL Kors Accesss Grayson, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the airplane, basically. And this is the airplane mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message airplane mode on. The icon will change the color, and also the icon of the airplane mode will appear at the top of your watch face, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon. You will see the message airplane mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.